A building's electrical system can supply a lot of power, and most big appliances need it. But a doorbell system is more gentle, more fragile, more refined. It only needs a little bit of power to do its job. And sending it too much power is not a great idea. So how does your home protect your doorbell from all of that extra power? It's called a doorbell transformer. High voltage power comes in one end, and low voltage power comes out the other. But what about smart doorbells? Smart doorbells do things like record video and send alerts. Some existing transformers don't send out enough power for a smart doorbell. In these cases, it's best to replace the transformer with one that can keep up. To make sure your transformer's putting out the right vibes, the right voltage and current that is, you'll need to read its output rating. Transformers are often installed near your breaker box or electrical panel. These things are tucked out of the way, often in your garage or your basement. To find out your smart doorbell's power needs, check its manual. It may even be printed right on the back of the device. Once you've made sure your transformer and doorbell get along, you can put it all together and let them groove.